London opens, price starts to breathe. New York follows with heat underneath. Reading structure, steady and clean. I see tea flow in every screen. Signal shift, momentum grows. Algorithm shows where it goes. VTrades, watch the charts ignite. Sniper entries hidden right. Funded profits rising bright. Building strength in every night. Follow flow, ignore the noise. Structured moves, intentional choice. Let the chart reveal the way. VTrades growing day by day. VTrades growing day by day. Institutional rhythm moves slow. Liquidity tells where price will go. Building accounts with patient plays. Consistency defines our day. Signal shift, momentum grows. Algorithm shows where it goes. Watch the charts ignite. Sniper entries hitting right. Funded profits rising bright. Building strength in every night. Follow flow, ignore the noise. Structured moves, intentional choice. Let the chart reveal the way. VTrades growing day by day. Trades growing day by day. Precise. Welcome to VTrades.
Hello. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing good. So we are looking at Nasdaq and ES just like usual. A little bit change in the screen layout. Let me know how do you guys find it. So initially entered this short. I am expecting a slab at least to these lows, which were the overnight lows, and somewhat continuation towards the regular trading hour closing settlement from yesterday, which is at 4:14 p.m. Not from yesterday, actually from Thursday, because Friday was a bank holiday. So we will be looking at those levels. Just going to be really patient today. I'm going to minimize the mistakes from the previous weeks. It was usually over leveraging and not sticking to our risk management strategy, and not being able to take losses as well, being really emotional. Yeah, we have got high impact news driver today at 10 o'clock. You guys should be able to see it on our screen around this level. So yeah, up till now we have got decent displacement. All of this should be the breakaway gap The price should not go back into these ranges. Let's look at ES, if ES wants to displace as well. Yes, it does. And 5 मिनट की inefficiency है अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे, so it can retrace inside of it, but then should continue on getting slapped. My terminus will be the consequent encroachment of RTH opening range gap. And once we have got the 930 open price, we can take that out. Yes, has traded inside that 5 minute CB, while the NQ continued on taking a hit to its downside, so that indicates strong bearishness on NQ. And we are only targeting to make $740 on this account today, so that we do not breach the consistency. Nice displacement. ES takes a slap as well after trading inside that 5 minute inefficiency. Looking decent, should continue on running lower. We are 15 minutes away from opening bell, 9:30 opening bell. Expecting it to continue on getting slapped. Should be respected as SIBI. He is taking a decent slap as well. So I think it wants to trade one more time inside this V. The reason I've got this wick included is the fact that we have got volume imbalance here. So whenever we have got a volume imbalance in fair value gap, it needs to be incorporated. So yeah, and the narrative is same, just like always. We are playing the opening range gap model. In this model, we look for the fill of yesterday's regular trading hour closing settlement price. So in this case, we have got it from Thursday because Friday was a bank holiday. It is sitting at 29,686. So once we have got 930 open price, we will take out the consequent encroachment from there and target the consequent encroachment fill. Up till now, it is looking very decent. This fair value gap needs to be inverted bearishly. So all the inversion fair value gap on my charts are in orange. We are 10 minutes away from opening bell, 9:30 opening bell. And remember that we have a high impact news driver at 10 o'clock. So the opening range can be a little troublesome. Best case scenario will be this being respected as bearish fair value gap and prices continuing lower, but let's see. The consequent encroachment of this wick should be held bearishly. Good slap. Not a nice close, to be honest. Let's see. अस्सलाम वालेकुम अहमद भाई, क्या हाल है? कैसे चल रहा है सब? How have you been? So looking for continuation lower. Basically executed my opening range gap model. We've got high impact news driver at 10 o'clock. ISM services PMI. $9.25, we are 5 minutes away from opening bell. अहमद भाई, नई स्क्रीन की का फीडबैक दो, कैसा लग रहा है? किस में लगे हुए हैं ब्रो? स्ट्रक्चर पक्का करना, किस चीज का स्ट्रक्चर? क्या हाल है दिल भाई? अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ इज एवरीवन डूइंग? या वो मैंने ग्रुप पे आखिरी मैसेज नहीं पढ़ा है, मैं स्ट्रीम के बाद पढ़ के, क्योंकि वॉइस मैसेज होता है ना, वो मैं स्ट्रीम पे कैसे सुनूं? ट्रेड बॉक्स? क्या ट्रेड बॉक्स? कौन सा? ये PNL? थैंक्स ब्रदर। So we are 3 minutes away from opening bell, expecting it to continue lower. Let's see. targeting $740 on this account today to comply with consistency. Assalamualaikum Zoid bhai, kya haal hai? Hello. How's your moving going? ES is trying to act a bit stronger. लग रहा है हमें same profile मिलेगी where NQ is not correlating with ES, at least in the opening range. तो भाई नई स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा सा वो देना फीडबैक. We are 1 minute away from opening range. 29,545.5. All right, so let's see. Right, got slapped. Opening bell. Change it into it. Initially got slapped and then showing us strength. Swept that low. ES is acting too strong. Right, this inefficiency should be held if we are on side. So going to go break even now. If they wanna trade inside this inefficiency and stop us out, we can re-enter. And the reason is that ES is retesting the 930 now. So if they want to continue it lower, then they can from here. ES closed below 930, so that is good. Should continue on getting slapped. हाँ थोड़ा वेट करके, ये इनएफिशिएंसी है ना अहमद भाई, फायदा नहीं है. Making higher high there. although ES is trying to reflect some weakness now. Okay, got break even stopped out. Let's see if they want to hold this now, or will they continue on running higher. I am adding one more, as in one. I'm not taking these as equal highs because this one is higher than that one. So if it continues on going higher, it will basically be ES strength being reflected. Should have taken something off there. We are also waiting for our first presented fair value gap on 1 minute. Risking $72 here. Adding one more. ES is looking much stronger. Right, first stop out, not yet. We have also got a high impact news driver at 10 o'clock, so maybe that is when we can see a slap, and until 10 o'clock they might have to run it higher and higher. You never know. Almost created equal highs there, and then trying to take a slab both on ES and NQ. जी वॉइस क्या लगता है? "14 minutes away from macro." Decent slap. He is trying to make lower low for the opening range. NQ should close below 930 open price there, and we should be on side here. जी अहमद भाई कर दिया सेल यार, कितने सेल करें? He is making lower low for the opening range there. NQ did not. Should act as premium array here. 930 open price. ES has got first presented fair value gap really high, so this push can be for that to be traded. And this one should be the first presented fair value gap on NQ, which should be respected bearishly. Alright, good continuation. ES could not trade inside the first presented fair value gap. 15-minute looking good. Took that low, expecting it to continue lower and trade inside this inefficiency. If we look at 1 hour, it looks decent as well. We have got this inefficiency to be traded inside, and yeah, we did rebalance all of this sell side, so should continue lower. Two minutes, 1 minute, we've got our first presented fair value gap here, but volume imbalance. कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम बोल रहे हो अहमद भाई? अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम फ्रेम बोलो, 4 घंटे चेक कर लेते हैं. Expecting it to take at least this low. This needs to be respected bearishly. Alright, trades inside. That is too much, to be honest. ES made lower here for the morning range while NQ did not, and ES is acting bullish as well because it wants to trade inside the first presented fair value gap, but NQ has traded a lot, to be honest here. That should have acted as order block, this whole 1 minute candle. Not looking too good. We'll lose around $125 here. Retested the upper octane again and continued higher. ओके आदिल भाई, थैंक यू. करते हैं नेक्स्ट उसमें इंशाल्लाह. हाँ, मैं स्टॉप नहीं हटाता अमित भाई, आपको पता है मेरा. एंड आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट इट शुड कंटिन्यू. इसने बस ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर दिया है इनक्यू ने, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. लेकिन वही है ना अहमद भाई कि हमारे थिंक करने से कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. थिंक तो हम करते ही रहते हैं, क्या ही फर्क पड़ जाना है. So expecting this BC to be inverted bearishly. Let's see. ES पे भी है हमारे पास UBC which it is holding bullishly up till now. To be honest, अब ES बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है to continue the run lower. ES got this volume imbalance while doing this sell run, so that is the push it is reflecting, in my opinion. Should respect this volume imbalance and the consequent encroachment of this wick bearishly on close basis. दो मार्केटें क्यों देख रहे हो अहमद भाई यार? Alright, looks ES ने अब ट्रेड कर लिया फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड फेयर वैल्यू गैप में, so if it wants to slap it should, otherwise it will just stop us out from here real quick. अब तो ले ही लेगा. Okay, got stopped out on our first trade. So 2 trade executions up till now. Initially shorted this and did not book anything, got break even, stopped out, and then shorted this, expecting this to continue lower as ES also started to run lower from here, but didn't really do much. ES just traded to the 0.25 quadrant and continued higher, while NQ just traded to the upper octane. So we are down $120 on first trade. ये मतलब थिंकिंग से कुछ हुआ? यही गेम है बस, जब मिल रहा है उतार लो. अब अच्छा लग रहा है टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लेकिन we are 4 minutes away from macro and 14 minutes away from news release. I might look for another sell. It shows me some willingness to continue lower. He's got this busy. ये तो ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रेटेजी हो गई अमित भाई. If it is respected bearishly, I am going short again. I am. Added one more. ये क्या कर दिया? Stopping myself out on this high. He is looking bullish now, to be honest. Let's see. I'll still wait for my stop to be taken. थोड़ा risk बढ़ गया, to be honest. Should have waited for 10 o'clock, I think. Maybe wants to take these highs and then it might slap from there. Yep. Got bear trapped by a G if it is willing to come for that high. That's alright. देखते हैं. Not a nice close. गुड लक अहमद भाई. क्या टारगेट कर रहे हो? वही टारगेट कर लो, मैं तो बोलूँगा ये हाईस. Right, down $310 on this account. ये निकालो ना यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं उतार लो? 30,050 क्यों? 30,010 है भाई टारगेट. Did not sweep it yet. ES took a big slap after making high. Six minutes away from news. High impact news driver. और बताओ अहमद भाई, क्या चल रहा है, क्या मसरूफियत है? उतारा लॉन्ग क्या किया? Yes is taking a slap. I am tempted to short from here, but the fact that it just missed the overnight highs by a few ticks, and we've got equal highs there. I need some sort of information. And maybe after news release, we should be good to short. So just 3 minutes away. ब्रेक इवन, ओके, इट्स गुड। आप वापस रिस्क ऑन हो गए या अभी डेमो पे ही हो? मैं तो बोलूँगा रिस्क ऑफ ही रहा है। कहाँ डेमो पे भी कहाँ किंग है? ऑलराइट, गुड यार। अगर न्यूज़ डिलीवर करता है ये कौन से 10% में हट जाएगी मेरी सख्त। So expecting it to run higher initially at 10 o'clock. That will be manipulation, and from there it should take us back. One minute away now. So this should be inverted initially bullishly to run higher. From there it should get slack. न्यूज़ है ना? Alright, news release आ गई है. Didn't do what I was expecting it to do. Yes, but will continue on getting slapped. I'll wait to see the reaction here initially. If they do not want to run it higher from there, I'll short it. Got slapped. I'm building my short again. Entry could have been improved by 30 points at least. Good luck. Early candle भी देख लेते हैं बस. Yes. नहीं ना, overnight highs. तो 15 minute फिर भी अच्छा है early से, because it has got this inefficiency. एंट्री बहुत बुरी है. Adding one more. That's a decent slab, but should continue lower after 50% of the opening range. जी बॉयज, क्या लगता है? As the 50% is around the first presented fair value gap, I believe it should be used as bearish inversion this time. क्या बात है दिल भाई, अब तो हो जाएगा ये ट्रेड। अब आप आ गए हो ना, अब प्ले आउट हो जाना चाहिए। अभी भी वो पड़ी है ना, ओवरनाइट हाइस and then equal highs along with that can be a little problematic. He has got the silver bullet. If it is respected bearishly, we should start running. हाँ, मेरे बोलने से गया है। कराची में आज बादल ही निकले, इस वजह से गया है। और मेरी उल्टे हाथ की कोहनी में दर्द हो रहा है, इस वजह से ऊपर चला गया है। So this is the silver bullet now on NQ. Will be used to run initially higher than it should be used to sweep the loss. ये भाई जादूगर हैं हम। एमन भाई, अपने शॉर्ट में चेंज कर लिया था। अब ये देखना, 3-4 मिनट में आप वहां से लॉन्ग गए और फिर डिस्काउंट से आप शॉर्ट गए। तो बुरा नहीं मानना, लेकिन एक बात बोलूँगा कि अपने ट्रेड से स्टिक किया करो। मैंने जो नोटिस किया आपकी इसमें, मतलब आप फ्लिप करते रहते हो। बीइंग इन द मार्केट आपके लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है रादर देन बीइंग ऑन द राइट साइड। मेरे लिए भी वो टिल्ट पे इमोशनल स्टेट्स में यही होता है, जैसे चल रही है पिछले 1-2 हफ्ते से, लेकिन दैट इज़ व्हाट वी नीड टू अवॉइड, राइट? तो यप, जैसे इधर भी प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट माई बायस जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द इमोशनल स्टेट। ये पता था कि ओवरनाइट हाइस को स्वीप करने जाना चाहिए इसको, so should have waited for this will be our third straight loss for this session। इसके बाद बस मैं एक और ट्रेड लूँगा। if we get stopped out we will just close it off। अबे वापस लॉन्ग भी हो गए, ये भी ठीक है, that is a good है। टॉप आउट होके वापस से हम शॉर्ट ही देख रहे होंगे, लेकिन मज़े की बात ये है। थोड़ा सा कोशिश करें इसको ये कर लेते हैं। 20 पॉइंट और दे रहे हैं, हम तो $40 और दे रहे हैं। Sweep the highs, let's see what it wants to do now। Because ES is still in the range, so I'm expecting an incoming slab and this silver bullet to be used bearishly now। इसने ये वाला फेवर एरिया बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ कर लिया है यहाँ पे टू सी द लिक्विडिटी। Now ES is catching up on the higher side as well, and that is not good। ES is catching up, I think I should close it। Continues on making higher highs, ES has still not swept the morning range buy side liquidity। ES is about to sweep the morning buy side. ES ने अभी तक स्वीप नहीं किया. It will stop us out now. I came in at 30.32. To be honest, NQ is looking more bullish than ES. ES did take a slap, but NQ, nah. उतार ले अहमद, स्केल आउट करके. Okay, got stopped out. Really bad trade, to be honest. Really bad. पता नहीं मुझे हो क्या गया यार. मैं पिछले 2-3 हफ्तों से मैं पहले साल वाली हरकतें कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, एक ही से टिक कर रहा हूँ. ES is sweeping the high. Down $700 on this account. Three shots and got stopped out thrice. ये इसने अभी भी स्वीप नहीं किया. I'm willing to build another short position here from here, to be honest. I'm short again. Okay, ES swept the highs. This is going to be my last trade, guys. One more. Need to cut some of my losses. Divine, what do you guys think about this one? Not a nice close. Seven minutes away from 10:30. ES makes higher highs. बेहतरीन बेहतरीन, हम आपका खाना है. ES continues on making higher highs. NQ looks like wants to correct. Four minutes away from 10:30. अगर ये 10:30 तक हमें स्वीप नहीं करता, मतलब हमारा स्टॉप नहीं लेता, then we can be on site at least 50% retracement, क्योंकि 1 घंटे से we have been rallying higher. I think इसके लिए भी हमने जल्दी कर दी. It might start kicking in from 10:40. Let's see. Adding one more. Looks good now. स्टॉप क्या है अहमद? $950 पे तो सिल्वर बुलेट है, उस पे क्यों स्टॉप कर रहा है? वो तो बिसी है, वहां से कंटिन्यू कर सकता है. Right, 10:30 starts. Not a nice close. Looks like we'll run our stop. All right, 4 straight stop losses, boys. So just going to close my day here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until then, thank you for being here. Do give it a like if you found any value out of it. Do subscribe the channel if you trade Nasdaq or ES. And until tomorrow.